Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with a demo and review of a hairline called Hair 180 by a local, I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina, by a local company called Hair 180. So there are 3 products that I purchased from the Hair 180. The shampoo is called the Hair 180 Organic Hair Formula Revitalizing Shampoo. This shampoo is of a clear consistency, as you can see in the demo, as well as I'll show you here. And what I found is a little bit definitely goes a long way. I'm just gonna use a dime size. Start with the dime size and just apply it directly on my scalp. Just the scalp area, because that is where the dirt is for the most part. Let's see if I can get in close so you guys can see. I have extreme dandruff in the fall, winter. So shampoo is $13 on the website, which is, I would say, reasonably priced for natural hair. It says specially formulated with omega-3 and omega-6 properties, mild on all hair types, and free of SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, DEA, and parabens. So ching ching, that's a ching ching in my book. All right, let's go on to the deep conditioner. Deep conditioner is called the Hydrating Deep Conditioner. I wasn't completely sold the first time I used this deep conditioner. It's infused with shea butter, organic coconut oil, raw honey. It intensely nourishes and repairs dry, damaged hair, and it helps to strengthen each strand and minimize split ends. This is of a white consistency, like your standard deep conditioner. The only thing I don't really like about this is the smell of the deep conditioner. It kind of smells like sweet tarts to me. I like the sweet tart candy, but it just has a sweet tart smell, but it doesn't linger and it doesn't stay in your hair because obviously you rinse it out. But the second to third time that I used this deep conditioner, my hair, I guess, got used to it, and I can definitely say of the 3 products, this is my absolute heavy-handed with my deep conditioners just because I have a lot of hair. So I'm gonna use about that much, and I start at the ends and work my way up to the roots. I just want to show you guys how it looks up close on the hair. It doesn't sit on the hair, it soaks in the hair, and that's what you definitely want in a good deep conditioner. You don't want something sitting on top of your hair, then it's clearly not penetrating. The deep conditioner is $14 for 8 ounces, and the shampoo is also 8 ounces. Another only downside that I found is that the container, sometimes it's kind of hard to see, but I think what they do, the reason why they do these dark containers is to kind of protect the product. So I understand that, but I would just prefer it to be clear so I can see how much I have left. That's just a personal preference. Again, I really do like this deep conditioner. I have like this much left compared to the shampoo. I really laid it on thick with this deep conditioner. I enjoyed it, and again, if you had to pick 1 out of the 3 products that I'm reviewing here today, I definitely would say get the deep conditioner. Give it a couple tries to let your hair get used to it, but I don't feel like you can go wrong with it. Last but not least is the curly custard. You guys, it smells like heaven in a jar. It just smells so good, and it's kind of like you can see, it's a creamy custardy texture. The curly custard comes in a 2 ounce, which is this one, and it's $7, and it also comes in an 8 ounce jar, which is $21. Woo! $21 is a lot to come up off of for a hair product. So I went for the $7, not even gonna lie. But another cool thing about this was that a couple days after you applied the product to your hair, all you need to do is just spritz your hair, just lightly spray it with water and kind of just crunch it together, and somehow this product like miraculously like revives itself and your hair just feels more soft. I don't know, it's just a crazy. All right guys, those are my final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed those demos and talking bits in between. I definitely say if there's one of the 3 products that you have to have, I would definitely say try that deep conditioner. So if you guys are looking for some new natural hair products that are reasonably priced and are made here in the USA, and that are natural, Definitely check out the Hair 180 product line, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.